If you drank one of these between 2004 and 2014, you may be in for a big payday. Red Bull was sued and now owes you because they claimed they could give you wings, but apparently they can't. It may also be hard to believe, but a marketing department has lied to you. It may shock you to hear, but Red Bull can't actually give you wings.
Red Bull gives you wings.
The good thing about this, if you actually believe this and bought one of these between 2004 and 2014, you may be in for a massive payday. Let's look at the story behind some morons squeezing $13 million out of this small Austrian company. First, we'll look at the marketing story of Red Bull, then the lawsuit that gave Red Bull some headaches even without drinking vodka Bull, and lastly, what you can expect as a Red Bull consumer as compensation. If you have ever been to a party in the Western Hemisphere, you have seen the silver and blue can that gives you the jitters if you drink too much of it. Some drink it with vodka, some drink it with gin, and some drink it with gusto. Some people say it tastes like gummy bears, and some people think it can actually improve their athletic performance. What started in 1987 as a small idea by an Austrian super entrepreneur is now a worldwide phenom. Yet you, like probably the entire rest of the world, may have first heard about Red Bull back in 1997. That year marks the first introduction of the now famous "Gives You Wings" Red Bull commercials. These days, Red Bull is better known for sponsoring sports teams, extreme athletes, launching their own events like the Red Bull Air Race, or dropping someone almost uncontrollably from the edge of space. One might say that Felix Baumgartner had something like wings because of Red Bull. It is even clear that sports teams perform better because they are sponsored by Red Bull. So, is it fair to say that we consumers could assume that we would get wings as well and our performance would be better if we drank Red Bull? Or you might say that it's pretty obvious that a drink loaded with sugar doesn't improve performance. You might say that the teams are not better because of the drink, but because of the money they receive for the sponsorship. But a few people couldn't or didn't want to make that logical connection. And that is where the courts had to step in. In January 2013, Benjamin Carifas sued Red Bull in New York federal court for making false advertising claims. He said that the company spends millions of dollars misleading customers. Red Bull claims to vitalize body and mind, be a functional beverage, and it possesses the ability to give you wings. At the same time, Red Bull is scientifically proven to have the same benefit as the average dose of caffeine consumed in coffee, which apparently neither gives us wings nor does it improve our athletic performance. Mr. Carifas and two other plaintiffs felt it unjust that Red Bull would charge a premium over comparable drinks despite no additional benefits and that consumers had been lied to. But let's be real here for a second. That's the power of branding. Brands can always charge premiums over generic products. In fact, that describes the sole reason why you should never compete on price, but mold the perception of added value in your target audience. Until this day, Red Bull is the premium energy drink because of brilliant marketing and branding. You only need to compare the design of the Red Bull can to that of two competing drinks, Rockstar Energy and Monster Energy. Instead of a sleek little can, they come as maxi size with half a liter compared to regular Red Bull cans which contain half of that. The design of Rockstar and Monster is in your face, while Red Bull is a textbook understatement while also showing how premium it is. One says, "I'm a Wall Street banker taking a break between cocaine lines." The other two say, "Get off my lane, Yankee."
I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm gonna lay on that road in a minute right here and take a nap.
Suing a company that does a better branding job is pretty bizarre. I guess Red Bull HQ was only slightly irritated and didn't want to go to court over something as ridiculous as not giving wings. In 2014, they settled outside of court for the mind-blowing number of $13 million to be paid out to other affected consumers. That is roughly 0.26% of Red Bull's global revenue in 2013, so I guess they could live with it. For us little folks, getting a share of that number is obviously life-changing money.
Father gave me a small loan of $1 million.
Listen up, if you drank a can of Red Bull between 2004 and 2014, you could have gotten a share of that money. The thing is though, like any good marketer, I lied to you to get your attention. Your big payday may be quite underwhelming, depending on what your scale for big is. Well, for Jeff Bezos or Beyonce, that may be chump change, but for us, judge for yourself. What Red Bull would theoretically owe you is here in my hands. You would either get $10 in cash or 2 Red Bull products, and Red Bull would have to pay the shipping. Personally, for me, that would be heaven if my stupidity was rewarded with 2 cans of my favorite soda with free shipping. It's just too bad that the period for claiming that reward has already passed. Whoops. Lied to you again. Oh, and because you're now educated about us lying marketers, how about you find out how marketing psychology works and how you can apply it yourself in this video. Stay fresh and enjoy your Red Bulls that you can't have just like your wings, I assume. See you.